It's a privilege to take part in the third Copenhagen Democracy Summit by video today.
2020哥本哈根民主高峰会，总统蔡英文透过视讯公开发表演说，畅谈抗疫经验。
We learned important lessons from the SARS outbreak in 2003. With the right measures, it is possible to control the spread of the virus without sacrificing our most important democratic principles. It was therefore all the more disappointing that the World Health Organization put politics before health and failed to invite Taiwan to share our experience at this year's World Health Assembly.
台湾抗疫有成，却因为中国打压，被世界卫生组织排除在外。小英再度重申，台湾立场坚定，甚至有能力声援香港。
In particular, our thoughts today are with the people of Hong Kong. Taiwan has joined the international community in urging the Beijing authorities to honor their obligation to respect Hong Kong's fundamental freedoms.
其实这场会议有各国政要、学者、专家及民运人士参与，是近年来强化民主论述的重要国际论坛。小英能参与并且公开谈话，意义非凡。
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you will be able to visit Taiwan after the pandemic. Here you will see a vibrant, open, and respectful democracy, and a force for good in the world.
小英政府用行动证明守护民主自由，不只是选举口号，而是实际在做，也透过各种管道让世界看见台湾。三立黄大峰、朱陆军台报道。